Want to secure your Notion account with a password? Whether you're switching from Google Login or just want more control, here's how to set it up, step by step. First, open Notion on your desktop or browser. Now, click on Settings and Members, then select the My Account tab at the top. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Add Password. Click on it. You'll now see two input fields, one to create your password and one to confirm it. Choose a strong password, ideally with letters, numbers, and a symbol. Then type it again to confirm. After that, click Set Password. Once it's saved, your email is now linked to a login password, meaning you can sign into Notion directly without using Google, Apple, or other third-party options. This is especially useful if you ever lose access to your connected accounts or want to keep things independent. Now your Notion workspace is just a password away. And that's how you create a secure login for Notion in 2025. Like and follow for more simple, no-fluff productivity tutorials, and let me know what you want to see next.